ओम वडापाव स्तोत्रम। ओम श्री गणेशाय नमः। गोलाकारं तबकशयनं स्वर्णवर्णं खमंगं पावयुक्तं चटणीसहितं सर्वाम्भिखादित्यव्ययं पुनर्खाद्याभिलाषं क्षुधाशान्तम् उदरभरणं वन्दे तुझं वडापावम्। Hey guys, a very happy World Vada Pav Day to you all, and that was a Vada Pav Strotram. I hope you enjoyed it. So guys, Vada Pav for me is an emotion, is a memory, and it has to be perfect. So this is my version of Vada Pav. I have added tadka to the Vada Pav, and I hope you like it. Because tadka will give nice aroma and the taste to your vada, okay? So I think my oil is heated up well. I'll put rye, it's nicely cracking. I will also put half teaspoon of jeera in that. Here goes pinch of hing. Then I'm going to put curry leaves. Curry leaves also essential part of our tadka. Once this is done, what I have done, I have made ginger garlic green chilies and coriander. I have just removed it from hand mixie, so I'm going to put it inside. This is the most important ingredient, and now I'm going to saute it well. So the rawness of this should go away, and as on we are frying, it will give nice aroma. Now I have added 2 teaspoons of onions. This also gives nice taste to the vada. Now I will saute it again because I just want that rawness to go away. And at this time, I have also got this dhana jeera crushed. I have just crushed it well, and I'm going to add it into this. It will give nice aroma. You can saute this on a medium flame or a low flame. Now it's time to put haldi. Half a teaspoon of haldi would do, and I'm adding 1 teaspoon of salt here. And now at this point of time, I'm going to switch off my flame because we are not going to cook potato. And here I'll be adding my mashed potato. So I've added the mashed potatoes inside, and now you can see I've mixed it well. Does it not look nice, tempting? So now batata vada's stuffing is ready. Now I'm going to make small balls out of it, and then it's ready to, we can dip it in the batter and we can fry it. Okay, so now let's make the small balls out of this. I'll just allow it to cool say for 5 minutes, and then we can start the process. So we have made these batata vadas now. You can see nice yummy batata vadas are ready for frying. In the batter we have taken besan, and then I have added red chili powder and salt. Now I'm going to add water, and I'm going to make a semi thick batter. So let's mix it and let's start making the batter. Our batter is ready. I'm going to put some coriander in that, and going to give a nice mix again. You can see this is absolutely smooth, and it's not very thick, neither thick nor thin. We're going to do the non-frying option first. This is an appe pan. This is with very less oil, but no compromise on the taste.
our healthy vada pav is ready from Appe pan, and instead of one you can use 2 vadas depending on the size of the bread. Now it's time to make the traditional vada pav, which is a deep fried version.
Oil is getting heated up and these are our vadas and this is the batter. So I will just put my vada. I will roll it well. I'll see to it that is covered well with my atta, and I will slowly put it in. One more. It's getting coated well. Pick it up and I will drop it in the oil. My flame is on a medium flame so that I just want my batter to be cooked well. You can also use these crumbs. These crispy crumbs also turns out to be very nice. So now on a medium flame we will allow it to fry till golden brown. You can put little oil on top of them. You can see our crumbs are also getting fried well. This looks to be a perfect color.
Our vada is ready. Now let's make a special chili or chili bhaji for vada.
I have slit one green chili and I have stuffed some salt inside. Now I will just dip it into this batter and I will put it for frying now. I am doing all this once I have completed frying my vadas.
दुनिया से मत करो ज़्यादा लगाव, ये बस देती है घाव पे घाव. छोड़ सब मोह माया और खा ले vada pav. Love you vada pav. Vada pav special red chutneys link is given in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and make. Thank you guys.